Alright guys, you are looking at a custom fitted teeth grill set. This one here is a top and bottom 6-on-6 teeth. Is gold plated over 9 to 5, solid sterling silver. It is available on our website. You can get this for the top or the bottom teeth, or you can do a full set. Check us out guys, blingcartel.com. Handmade work designed to fit perfectly. This is the diamond dust finish, as you can see there in the middle. That gives it that nice sparkle there. Check us out guys, blingcartel.com. blingcartel.com. You get a free mold kit with your purchase. Quality handmade work. Thank you for watching guys. As always, y'all have a good one.